welcome back to my channel. So the plan was to start early, but hello! This is somewhere in Oslo where sun doesn't set till midnight. So yeah, we left the house around 11 am. But no regrets, drop our luggage at the central station and told ourselves, okay, today's gonna be that adventurous day. So spoiler alert, it was, but not in the way we thought.
We two girls are in charge of planning the trip and booking the flight, place to stay and make itinerary, and those guys, they execute our plan, putting our bag in locker now. And she lost the game in rock paper scissors, that's why she's crying.
And later today we had our flight, that's why we had to put our luggage at the central station. Anyway,
So we have to take this metro to go to the place where we want to go. Like from the train, you see there is a track kind of from the mountain on top of mountain, and then there is this girl.
Yes, we are going up, so we can see the view of the city.
This is the place, and we have to walk. The weather is good.
Yes, guys, I'm very hungry.
And what you will have?
I'll have nothing. I'll just have food.
Okay, so we completed pretty much few things. It's not that long hike though, but weather is good actually. Yeah, it's we could not eat anything because we did not had much of option to eat vegetarian food, precisely vegan, because they add sometimes egg or beef in the vegetarian burger, so it becomes really difficult for me to eat. So yeah, we're gonna continue now hiking.
We are here at the adventure spot, and the boys are going up on the zip line around this square, and the girls are not gonna go on the zip line. They'll just watch them and see if they're good or not good, if they're brave or not brave. I think they're brave because they're boys, and we are at sports uncle, and it is uncle and Daddy are going up the zip line. It's so scared, guys.
You are so scared?
Yeah.
Why you are scared?
Because I don't want to do up there, and I think I'm gonna fall down. But she's scared of heights.
Yeah, I'm scared of heights. Like I have done in Kerala, India.
But still, if Nitish uncle and Daddy are gonna be brave and not shout, then Rita auntie will go. But she will shout for sure. Nice.
What about mommy?
Also, mommy.
Mommy will shout?
Yes, you will. You'll say, ah! You're gonna do it.
So they called us. The ticket cost is 120 euro per person, and also it needs to be pre-booked. And unfortunately, today's slot got booked, and even they are not able to do. So we just came here, saw, did some not much of hiking, a little bit of hiking, and then we're gonna click some picture. Look, you see in the background, and we're gonna go back to the city center now. And also, why we didn't do zip line?
It's costly though.
So cost is 200 euros.
120.
Yeah, 120 where we can't have it. We're poor guys.
One second. So the thing is, I have done zipline a lot in India, and it's 120 euro per person. So you have also done, no?
Yeah, in Kerala we did.
I also did in Kerala. Why not, right?
Yeah, why not?
So there, I think we spent 250 or 150, something like that. Not very sure. So we thought like we'll save that money when we go to India. We can do again this adventure sport. Ashira, do you want to do zipline? But you know, kids are not.
Yeah, I'm very afraid of the zipline, and I know it's another one.
Caretaker only, no? Oh, uncle, okay. Uncle, caretaker in disguise means uncle. Oh, okay. So Caretaker uncle is taking advantage of baby. He is posing and asking her to click picture. See? Child labor करवा रहे हो बच्चे से. We got good view यार. Good, very good view. I could not record this restaurant name, so this is the restaurant name. And also, the coffee was like €12. What it looks like. We're on a trip. One guy is posing, then another is taking pictures, and then we got our little star, rock star. Photographer or model, and they are speaking Telugu. I think she's calling her husband dustbin. Chatupatta. City center. Now, what are we gonna have? Food. Ashi, can I have one bite? Please, one bite. We are very hungry.
Because you already ate.
It's not fair for them.
Yeah, she's not giving us even one bite. We should have taken more. Just one bite.
But you already ate.
Okay, that's okay.
We are at the restaurant and we chose Indian restaurant because we have not eaten anything. Yesterday I was on fast and we have not eaten yet. Our breakfast was very light and we saw one Indian restaurant, so we're gonna be eating here today. Thank you.
It looks really good.
Food fusion, right? Oh, sorry, street food. Street food fusion. It has pani puri. And can you just tell me, convert the currency and tell me how much cost? But I'm going to show you how does it look like. So this is two samosa, and I think one samosa and one aloo tikki and two pani puri. And the cost is I think 12 or 13 euro. Oh my god! And I was going to have this pani puri after 2 years. 8 India spices. So I am gonna give how much rating is like I'll also give 2 because I am not very much into North Indian food. So if you like proper naan, chicken curry,
That much great, but that's my too.
yeah, so naan, chicken curry and all like paneer lababdar kind of things, then you can come.
We're going somewhere else. We're going to Rome.
We are going to Opera House again. Last night when we went, remember there was some rain and
Yeah, I remember that house.
where our other friend of us went.
He's watching phone.
Yeah, he's watching phone.
I know, I'm watching phone. Wait, is that daddy's phone?
Is that
Is that daddy's phone?
this one in my hand?
Yeah.
No, that's my phone.
Oh yeah. Yes, guys. It's so much fun. I really want to play there, but Dad said it's time to go.
Don't want to go to this one shopping center. Okay, so we are back to center. You can see there is a fountain here, which we could not see last night because for some reason it was not working, and there on top of it, yeah, captured. Now back to me. Yeah, so we ate good lunch. Now we're gonna go to see the glass boat. Everyone here looks taller than us, except us. We only look like kid. We look like kid, yeah. These guys are so tall. So yesterday we could not. I mean, we made it, but in the midnight. That's why today we came here to see the thing, which is like glass inside the water. I don't know what's that called, but we were so all excited to see it. And today I see a lot of people. Absolutely, so many people are here. Because it's Friday. After a house, we are dancing at my street. This is really are really enjoying summer here. You can see I'm not chilling. Kids are playing in the park. People are adults taking. Oh my god, see? View is amazing actually. I actually like this city a lot. And once again, these two idiots are laughing. They're laughing. Yeah. Hey, we are going to eat ice cream. Let's go. Yeah. So we got the ice cream. Yeah, we're gonna enjoy the ice cream, Naga. How much to pay for the ice cream? Ah, okay, it's reasonable. At least something is reasonable here. So yeah. Go to airport. 65277, right? Yeah, so this is where our cab is here. We are towards airport.
From? From Somalia. Somalia?
Where is
Oh.
it? Is it in Europe?
No, it's in Kenya. My friend, see the bank.
See the band.
See the bank.
See the band.
So like this.
We reached the airport and I'm sitting on the stall in the sunlight.
And where we are flying?
We're flying to Bodo.
Yeah.
But it's still in Norway. It's still in Norway. Oslo to Bodo. It's still in Norway, but
That's correct. And now
But these guys are coming fast. I need to walk back fast.
We are at gate. Very less people are there waiting for flight to go.
I gave Ashira Chanta one challenge. If she doesn't cry for a whole trip, then Akka gonna throw her birthday party at Bino's. That's her favorite restaurant, and she has accepted the challenge. And now she has accepted it, but deep down she is not ready to do it. Now we are boarding the flight. So what's the time, guys? Can you tell me? Yeah, and you can see in the background how much the sunlight is, and we're gonna most likely see the sunset from the flight, or maybe after getting down. We are literally walking towards flight. Hi, so we have boarded the flight.
seeing all the boy I got.
We are landing, but unfortunately, the weather is not
The sun, and we landed. We landed.
So we reached the
to the airport. Ready for adventure?
Roam around there.
Are you ready for adventure?
Yeah.
Putty and
It's so cold.
really?
Yes,
But I like it.
Shivering.
No, it's drizzling, but I like this weather.
I don't like it.
पहुंच गए हम कहाँ अपने होटल में आज फोटो ओवरनाइट स्टे करेंगे. So yeah, day full of stairs, starvation, luxury pani puri and SRK sing-alongs. So if that doesn't scream adventure, I don't know what does. So see you in the next one.